Hello there. So I'd like to show you some of the apps I built here for Windows Phone. First one I'd like to show you is called Tickets on Sale. This was born out of frustration with Ticketmaster and their search. I wasn't able to find out, what's going to go on sale today, tomorrow, or this week. So I scraped their RSS feeds and using Firebug and Firefox, I was able to kind of see, what they're doing there. So if I want to buy this tickets to Elvis Lives, it goes on sale on the 10th of November, and I can go get them on the first day if I want to scalp them, or if I just want a good seat, or to get a ticket at all without going to StubHub. Right. Next one I want to show you here is called Rock Paper Scissors. This is a very simple shake-based app. So if you're very predictable and everyone always beats you at rock, paper, scissors, you can use my app here, and you just shake it.
1, 2, 3, paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3, scissors. Ready? 1, 2, 3, scissors.
And there you go. And that's about all that does. But hopefully it helps you win, right? Next app I want to show you here is a Dreidel app. So if you're around with your family around the holiday and you want to play Dreidel and you don't have one of those little clay things around, or you don't want to go out and buy one, you can use my app here for Windows Phone, and you just tap the screen, and hopefully you get the gimmel. You just tap and tap. You could probably use to add sound effects or something to this. Next app I want to show you here is called Sleigh Bells Ring. This is a simple noisemaker app. It's actually one of my most popular apps. Everyone loves the stupid noisemaker, right? So you just shake to play the bells. And if you want to kick it up a notch, get Santa involved, you can go ahead and click the ho 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 button. Right, so. So that's all that does. But people love it somehow. Next app I want to show you here is called First Impressions. This is a high contrast image slideshow for infants. My wife's concept. So you just get these white and black and red images that are high contrast in nature. It'll go through and automatically rotate every 15 seconds. But if you're impatient with your kids, you can shake it after 3 seconds and move to the next image. There's a couple hundred images. Next app I built for Cay of Nanian Homes. It exposes their mobile website, just a browser component from .NET, and not the best implementation of app features, but it does expose their mobile website, and it was a quick way to get in the marketplace for them. So you can go and find your home, and it's just like in the normal browser. You can go to Arizona and go to Mesa. You can look at your communities, view the available homes. So there's some nice homes. You can look at the floor plans, call a sales consultant, etc. Next app I want to show you here is the Turkey Gobbler. This is another shake-based noisemaker, just in time for Thanksgiving. This one also has the panorama control, so you can go between several things here. So you just shake it to get them to gobble. Gobble gobble. And the Pixel Bird. And the psychedelic bird. I had a few other ideas for this. I just didn't have time before Thanksgiving. It's rapidly approaching. So I had the electric knife. You'd be able to come and cut his head off, or the heat lamp. You'd be able to put him under, and he'd get various levels of upset. Next one I want to show you here is called Blank Tiles. So as you can see on this screen, you get kind of everything all mashed together a little bit. There's not a lot of opportunity for spacing. Blank Tiles is just enables you to create a blank tile with nothing on it. So here's my blank tile at the bottom, and I can move this up here. I had already created one previously. So there I created like a blank line, kind of give it a little bit of visual separation. Another one along those same lines is called heading tiles. I've used that here to put a little category of my apps. So these are the apps I've built. Up here I have one above my email. You could create any category you like to expose your apps and your tiles and kind of organize them a little bit. My next one is a game here I built. It's called Donkey Superhighway. This is based on if you recall, in DOS there was a game called Donkey, and you would just tap the space bar to move your donkey around. So here I just created a seven lane Donkey Superhighway. And as you move around, you slightly move up the screen, and you just gotta avoid the donkeys the whole way. If you don't avoid the donkeys, your car is smashed into bits. Oh no, no way to get out. Okay. There's 25 levels, so if you happen to beat all 25 levels, you'd go ahead and win. Next one I want to show you, there's this pair of apps here, Digits of Pi and Golden Ratio Challenge. They're essentially a very similar app with different numbers. So here, if you want to learn all the digits of pi, and this app supports the first 100,000 digits of pi, you just come into here and you start entering them. So
3.14159265355.
Oh, I got it wrong. Yeah, so that's essentially what that does. And you could try again if you like, or you can just leave. So Golden Ratio Challenge, very similar, just with the golden ratio. The next two apps I'd like to show you here are based on the Zappos API, and these two are published in the marketplace. The first one here is Jersey Store, and this is kind of based on your What's Hot section of your API, and you can see what people in New Jersey are buying right now. So you're not getting stuff that's sitting on the shelf, stale. You want to see what people are actually buying. You want to go to New Jersey. You don't want to be wearing stuff that's not in style. So I can see what shoes, what boots, tops, etc. that people are actually buying. The other one here is very similar to that. It's called What's Hot in Minnesota. So you're not going to New Jersey anymore. You're going somewhere cold, right? People are still buying those little shoes, little sandals and stuff. I was expecting to see like more Uggs and heavy boots. So here's some heavy boots. Oh, there's the Uggs. Nobody wants sandals right now. Those are some nice pants. Right now this is just listings, but at some point I'll extend this and you'd be able to actually purchase the items from here. But it's sort of geographic based listing of what people are buying right now. This next one here I'm developing right now. It's called Shoe Battle, and I think this one's going to be one of my most popular. And basically, I think it'll tap into the female psyche. I think women will like this. So you just get two shoes at a time, and you pick which one you like best. So I like this one up top. Yeah, again, I still like that one. So you see this shoe on the top's on a streak of 3. But look at those on the bottom. I like those. So yeah, let me choose those. And at the end, I believe you'd be able to get a listing of the shoes you like. On the back end, you'd be able to kind of create a database of what shoes are most popular, things like that. You'd be able to click this details button and buy the shoes, and at the end, email yourself the list of shoes that you liked. And that's about all. So thanks for watching.